How to open or initiate Excel. To open or initiate Microsoft Excel, you can follow these general steps. The exact steps might vary slightly depending on your operating system, Windows or macOS, and the version of Microsoft Excel you have installed. On Windows, using the Start menu, click on the Start button in the bottom left corner of your screen. Scroll through the list of installed applications or use the search bar. Look for Microsoft Excel or Excel and click on it, using the desktop shortcut if available. If you have a shortcut icon on your desktop, double-click on it to open Excel, using the taskbar if pinned. If you have Excel pinned to your taskbar, you can click on the Excel icon to open it. On macOS, using the Applications folder, open the Applications folder on your Mac. Look for the Microsoft Excel application and double-click on it to open. Using Spotlight Search, press Command, +space to open Spotlight Search. Type Excel and press Enter when Microsoft Excel is highlighted. Alternative methods: opening from a file. If you have an Excel file you want to work on, you can double-click the file. This will also launch Excel and open the selected file. Recent documents. If you've recently worked on an Excel file, you might find it in the Recent section of the Excel home screen. Clicking on a recent document will open Excel and load that file. Search Windows. Use the Windows search bar, usually located next to the Start button, and type Excel. Click on the Excel application in the search results. Once Microsoft Excel is open, you can start working on new or existing spreadsheets. If you're prompted to sign in, you may need to enter your Microsoft account credentials, especially if you are using a subscription-based version of Microsoft 365. Thanks for watching, guys. I will see you guys in the next lecture.